Hey guys, today in this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw from Mexc to your bank account. So keep watching till the very end, and let's get started. First of all, if you want to withdraw from Mexc, go to the Wallet section and then click on Withdraw. Mexc only allows you to withdraw crypto, so you'll need a secondary exchange, such as Coinbase or Binance, where you can then withdraw directly into your bank account. For example, if you want to withdraw some USDT, select USDT as your withdrawal currency. Then, go to the other exchange, in this case, Coinbase, navigate to Transfer, and click on Receive Crypto. Choose USDT or the corresponding currency and copy your address. Make sure to use the same network on both platforms. In this example, it will be ERC20. Return to Mexc, paste in the address, select the ERC20 network, enter the withdrawal amount, and click Submit. Please note that you can't withdraw cash directly from Mexc to your bank account. You need to use an intermediary exchange that allows you to withdraw directly to your bank account. So that's basically how you can withdraw from Mexc to your bank account. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.